has been transmitted at the request of the Phoenix Police Department. Suspicious activity is occurring in the city of Phoenix. Several men wearing brown trench coats were reported to have dropped off suspicious packages all over the city. It is unknown what these packages contain. Police urge residents not to approach these packages, as it is unknown what the intentions of the packages are. It may be dangerous to open any of these packages. Stay as far away from these packages as possible. Handling any of these packages could possibly endanger the health and safety of others. Police officers are being dispatched to the area to properly handle these packages. Stay tuned for further updates on this developing situation. The following message has been transmitted at the request of emergency management. Some of the suspicious packages that were placed all around the city were reported by civilians to have exploded. Authorities were not able to reach these packages in time, but it appears that the packages contain explosives. Not all packages were reported to have exploded yet. Injuries from attempts to handle these packages were reported. These packages are described as brown cardboard boxes that weigh up to 25 pounds. Do not approach or attempt to handle these packages. Those who choose to handle these packages are endangering the safety of themselves and others, and will be arrested. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Phoenix Police Department. 6 men in connection with the explosive packages in the city of Phoenix have been spotted in the downtown area. They were last seen headed east in a 2008 black Ford Explorer with unknown Arizona license plates. The men were last seen wearing brown trench coats and brown hats. The men are heavily armed and dangerous and were seen firing at police and other motorists. No deaths or injuries were reported, but it is recommended that residents stay off the roads. Repeating, these men are firing at motorists. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Phoenix Police Department. The 6 men in a 2008 black Ford Explorer have ditched their vehicle and are now in a standoff with police. The men are still considered armed and extremely dangerous. They have threatened to detonate a fallout weapon if their demands are not met. The demands of the men cannot be released to the public until the situation can be assessed. So far the standoff has been a mild exchange of words between the men and authorities. It could become a shootout at any time. Residents of Phoenix are encouraged to stay indoors, with all doors and windows locked, and listen for further updates on this situation.
following message has been transmitted at the request of the Phoenix Police Department. A shootout is occurring on the streets of the residential area of Phoenix. 3 of the 6 suspects have been killed in the shootout. The other 3 men are still at large. If you are outdoors, do not approach these men. If you do approach these men, do so in a non-threatening manner and do not make any sudden attempts to apprehend any of the men. If you do so, they may try to kill you. Residents of Phoenix are encouraged to stay indoors, with all doors and windows locked, and listen for further updates on this situation.
An administrative message from the Phoenix Police Department. 6 armed men were believed to be a part of an anti-American group that originated from Mexico and are responsible for the explosive packages around the city of Phoenix, have been killed in a shootout with Phoenix police and Mexican authorities in the city of Phoenix. The man that committed suicide that prompted the local area emergency was believed to be in connection with this group. The civil danger for the city of Phoenix has ended, and residents can now leave shelter.